folks, I'd like to take a look at how to do this simple animation of a line going around a layer of text, or indeed any other layer. Okay, nice little line. And for this I'm going to use one of the After Effects built-in plugins called Vegas. Okay, so hence the text. So let me just go and create a new composition. Okay, so I'll just use my regular settings of HD TV 1080x25. I'm going to put a background layer in here, new solid. Okay, BG background. Okay, I'll lock that because I'm not going to alter the background, so I'll often lock that, or indeed I could also hide it with the shy guy just so it's out of the way. Okay, and then I'm going to put some text in here. There we go. Vegas, and I'll use the align window to get that in the middle. You can always find that in window, align. Okay, and then I'm going to create a adjustment layer. So it's just a blank layer for effects that will go on top of these layers. And I'm going to, on that adjustment layer, use the rectangle tool. And this could indeed be any shape. This, I could have a star doing the same thing, but I'll do a simple rectangle, and I'm going to do a rectangle around the box. Okay, there we are. And on this, I'm going to put an effect, as I mentioned, called Vegas. So as you can see, it's applied the Vegas effect to the text. If I increase the width, you can see it's put these lights around the text that you can rotate like that. Okay, but we don't want that. What we want to do is change the setting here, the stroke setting, to be on the mask. Okay, so now you've got these lines that can animate around here. Okay, if I make them a little bigger, increase the width, you can see them. So we just need to play about with some of these settings to get what we want. So for the segments, I just want one segment. Okay, and now I can rotate that around. Okay, I can change the color. So I'll go for like a brighter color, maybe a kind of bright green there. Okay, and as you can see, I can change also the kind of opacity of the start and end points. So let's start it at, so it's kind of around the bottom here. Okay, I'll change the length so it makes a kind of underline like so. I'll also change the end opacity so it's more of a kind of solid line there, and just bring that length down a bit again, so we make a kind of underline there. But as you can see, it's on the inside of this mask, so this edge is kind of softer than this edge. I can increase the hardness to make it a hard edge, like so. Or if I want a little bit of softness, but on both sides, what I can do is hit double M to get the mask properties and expand the mask a bit. Okay, and maybe take the width down a little more. Okay. And then I'll just change the just get the rotation to start a little bit back and change the length. So I'm making a little underline here. There we go. So I'll have that underline. Okay, if I hit the U key, I'll get rid of these keyframes I've got and just have that for maybe add a keyframe to the rotation of the Vegas effect. And here I'm going to make it go around, just do it, go around here, and so just do like a circle around. But as it gets to here, I want this line to disappear. So I'm also going to add a keyframe for the length. Okay, and then come to where it finishes and take the length down to 0. So if I hit the U key, which is a shortcut to see your keyframes, you can see those keyframes there, just doing that. Okay, I might make that a little slower. Okay, and I'm going to take these keyframes and just select them, and I'm just going to go to the animation menu and do an easy ease on them. Okay, it just makes it a little nicer. There we go. So we've got this nice animated line that just passes around. So you can use this, you know, it can go in both directions. You can adjust the length. You can just add more keyframes to this to get it doing more things. But very simply, that's a good way to create this kind of animation around. You could do similar things with the stroke effect, but I kind of like the Vegas for this. A little more to play about with than a simple stroke. Okay, so there you go. Thanks for watching.